Good morning! It is the day of the video shoot. Janet Made for Now Q's News video project. I am so excited to be a part of this project. I'm designing some outfits as well as I'm doing my own styling, my hair and everything like that. And I'm gonna be in the video. I will take you along with me, so keep watching. Alright, so guys, I am doing my hair. I'm going to do the 3 puffs, but this time I'm adding hair and I'm going to show you. I have them all laid out already, 1, 2, and 3, and I'm using the black number 1, and then I added like a little streak of color to each of them. And this is the holding product, argan oil from Cream of Nature Flexible Styling Snot. So this is not a full tutorial, but I just wanted to show you what I did. This is blow dried hair. Washed my hair last night, let it air dry some, and then in the morning lightly blow dried it because it was already partially dry. Then I added the Cream of Nature. Of course, I put my heat protectant. I used the Affinity Keratin and green tea as my heat protectant, and I used the Sunny Isle leave-in conditioner, and then blow dried, and then put the flexible styling snot. And so I have it in 3 sections. So I'm going to begin adding hair, and I'm going to show you right now. Really quickly, since I don't have my tripod, I'm holding the camera, so I'm not going to show you everything, but I added the hair here. I'm going to loosen out all of these twists, and then I'm just going to take this and make a knot. So let me do that now. I'm going to make the knot and then come back and show you how I make one bun, and then I'll come back with the finished look because I'm not going to be able to do the whole thing. Okay, so as you can see, I took twists out. I was just putting them in to hold my hair in place. I added the extension here by just making a knot. You all know how to tie a knot. Just tie a knot around your hair after you secured each with an elastic holder. And so now I'm going to add this into my hair and form a bun. Okay, so I'm at the shoot, and here is my hairstyle, guys. I have to touch it up because I had to run. I had to do hair, makeup, get the clothes together, so I'm like, let me hurry up, and I'll do my makeup on the train, and I'll touch up whatever I gotta touch up while I'm here. These buns were not as easy as the tutorial looked, honestly and truly. I'm gonna touch it up, but yeah, so stay tuned.